Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be talking all things Altenew. Yes, if you have not checked it out, we have stocked the store with new Altenew products. Super delighted to introduce some new amazing products to you from Altenew, including some of the latest and greatest out there. So let me go ahead and share some of the stuff. Again, this is just a small sampling of the items that are in the store. So if you love Altenew, or if you've been considering Altenew products, or perhaps Altenew is new to you, you can go ahead and check out our online store and see all the amazing products that are there. And there is more coming. Just so that you know, I've started listing them, but they are not all listed. So there is quite a lot more coming. I just have not gotten around to it. So let's jump right in and take a look at some of the items that are in the store. Now, as I progress, I'm also going to be inserting some of the images here for you so that you guys get a better idea as to what these actually make. Of course, if you ever want to refer back to any of the images, you can always visit the online store, and all of those images will be there, as well as any links for videos and tutorials as well. I'm going to start with the right-hand side. How's that? And I just realized I forgot this other one that I need to show you as well, because I'm going to save that one for last. So stay tuned. So some of the new items that have arrived are beautiful stencils. Here is just a wonderful sampling. This one's called Branching Out. It is a 6x6 stencil, which has got lovely branches that can be used year round, whether you decorate these for winter, fall, spring, summer. A great way, or maybe even some creepy ones for Halloween. That would be fun as well. So I will insert some pictures for you to take a look at Branching Out here, so you can see some of the great samples that have been made. Another new product that has arrived as well is the new rounded rectangles um, guides for you. So these masks not only provide the ability for you to mask areas in order to create some great cards and projects, pockets, ATCs, all that fun stuff, tags as well. But the neat thing is they also have markings right on them. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, to help with providing the size of the frame that you are using. So these are wonderful to use, as well as you can see here on these samples on screen. Another one of the ones that I saw at the latest show that I fell in love with was this one, because water is a really, really hard one to do. Um, Yes, we can always use our sprays and inks and try to create that illusion of water, but to really bring it home, this 6x6 stencil is going to be marvelous for that purpose. It is called water, and it will actually help you create that beautiful illusion of water by being able to layer that same stencil to create depth. Isn't that absolutely neat? So I thought this one's going to be one of those that we're going to use year after year for sure as well. And then I'll show you this beautiful stencil, which of course I love anything with clocks, and I know you guys do as well. This one is really neat because it not only has clocks and gears, but it also has crackle to it. So when you emboss it, it's going to give you all of those elements. It's called Traces of Yesterday. It's a one-of-a-kind 3D embossing folder with crackling clocks, different clock faces, and gears as well. Another wonderful 6x6 inch embossing folder. Now, to the left here, I've got some of the really pretty mini delights. So the mini delights are a bundle deal in which you get not only the beautiful die set, but you also get the stamp set in order to create some really fun makes. And they are wonderful and beautifully sized in the sense that you'll be able to obviously store quite a few of these, as you can see, in a very small footprint in your craft room or art studio. So, and they're wonderful because you can just grab these and kind of create and go. So we've got the gardener's corner. Again, the layering die set and the stamp as a combo to make some beautiful florals and boxes. Again, these you can even use and decorate for different seasons, or maybe even put some different things into the basket as well. And then, of course, the florals are amazing for using with other compositions as well. This one is super, super fun. It's called Stylish Shades. And again, you're getting your layering die set, and then you're getting your stamp set as well. And it will give you the illusion, which I love, of your shades kind of looking out into um, different images. Now, of course, you're not limited to just the stamp set that is included here, the layering stamp set. You can add all kinds of fun images on your shades to be reflective of the ocean or maybe some snow peaks, etc. So that one is another super fun one. And then, of course, who doesn't love mail? We all do, especially happy mail. So this one is called Special Delivery. And again, another great silhouette stamp set along with a layering die set in a beautiful bundle to create independently or create some beautiful makes together as well. So there are going to be, of course, additional ones in the store. Once again, I'm just showing you what's listed right now, but there will be more listed in the upcoming week. So stay tuned for those because you probably want to collect all of those. Now, scoring board. This one is really neat. It's got an integrated drawer for scoring tools. It is black, which I absolutely love. And I'll show it to you here. So it's got a little drawer compartment as well as the printed guides on both sides. So the numbers are printed directly right onto the scoreboard itself, and it's got the 1/8 of an inch increments, which we always, always need. Okay. And then of course, it's got your A2 card sizing right on there with the stars. And then you also have your scoring tool. And the scoring tool, I'm trying to remember because they demoed it for me. And then, yes, this, it's so neat. So you got the little drawer, and then it's not just one of those cheapy embossing, plasticky embossing folders. It is actually like a pen stylus looking one, which I think is really awesome with a ball tip. And then it stores neatly into an actual drawer that pulls out. Super cool, right? And then it folds super compact for travel or for storage, for you can store it nice and upright if you want in your craft space. So very excited to have that one as well. Love the size of it. And then that brings us to the big showstopper. This is the brand new Stamp Wheel 2.0. So they introduced it at the show, which was amazing. It comes in a beautiful, beautiful case. I'm going to also put a some images here, but there are a lot of great features to the Stamp Wheel. The Stamp Wheel 2.0 is one of those that I've been kind of on the fence about. And once I saw, especially the upgrades now, uh, I'm pretty much sold on it. So if you're not familiar with it, I'm going to also link some videos in the online store for you to go ahead and check it out. But it comes, of course, with your stamp wheel, which allows you to reposition your stamps and do stamping on both sides as well. So it's a great way to be able to mass make projects so that you can continue to work. It also allows you to create wreaths by repositioning your stamp, or yeah, excuse me, by positioning your stamp and then turning your wheel. So here's what I love about this, guys. It's going to give a whole new life to those stamps that you already have in your stash, because you're going to look at stamps in a different way and you're going to go, oh, yes, I can do that. Layering stamps are a breeze with this because, again, you'll be able to position your stamps and just continue to stamp without ever having to remove the stamp off the block, ink it, put it back, take the second one, bring it in. Oh yeah, that is always, kind of a nightmare. Even, I use a Misty um, And even with that, of course, you have to, stamp the first layer, then remove that, then put the next one, and then hope that it's positioned well, and then do your other cards, and then come back again. Well, this eliminates all that and so much more. So again, that video is going to detail a whole lot of it. I'm not going to cover all of it because obviously it's already been done. And I'm going to let you guys, um, watch that video instead. But I do want to share with you the upgrades. So, of course, this has got a plastic film. So if it looks a little cloudy, it's because obviously it hasn't been removed. It does include the original sticky mat that fits right into the bottom of your base. And this mat will hold down your stencils and your papers and all of that while you work on it, whether it's stamping or spraying or, anything that you're going to be doing, stenciling and whatnot. So that goes there on the bottom. And in order to clean it, all you need is to just rinse it out with water if it ever loses that stickiness to it. But it is grid as well, which is really nice because it helps you to align and center your items. As you can see, it is a 9 by 9 surface that you're going to be working on. But here's the magic of the 2.0, because they've heard what we had to say. And now this piece right here is removable. You see that? Super cool. So this side now is removable. So if you need to have a piece of paper that is longer, all you have to do is remove the side and you'll be able to work on an even larger surface. Love that feature. You're not limited anymore to that 9 by 9 area. Then the other thing that you can get as an addition is the slim grit sticky mat. So yes, this is also sticky, but this is the slim. And the reason why it's slim is because it is meant to fit on the bottom here. Number one, it also allows you to be able to stamp bigger images, but because of the fact that it is translucent, it also will allow for you to be able to see exactly where it is that you're placing your items. It's got all of the markings that you need as well for all you card makers or those of you who need to center something. And then, of course, it also has the rulers along the sides. Again, there's going to be a whole lot more of information that's going to be so again, sorry, there was a phone call coming in. It's going to have the grids, I'm sorry, the ruler markings on the sides to help you position as well. So we've got all kinds of really great tools. And one of the features that I love really about this is the ability or the test that a lot of YouTubers and video makers have done, where the whole test to this is, can I really work with one hand? Can I really put this down or put my sticky mat down and not have to use two hands to stencil, to stamp, or to create what it is that I'm working on? And the answer is yes. So some fantastic tools for all of us, not to mention some really great new items and beautiful stencils and stamp sets. So we certainly hope that you'll go ahead and check them out in the online store. Again, more Altenew is coming your way as well. And we are so delighted to have you visit our online store. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down in the comments. And more importantly, if you have any comments that you want to make, because perhaps you already have the 2.0, or perhaps you have not heard of Altenew, or you do not currently have any stash of Altenew products in your supplies. And now you would love to find out more or to run and purchase some from the store as well. So we love to hear your comments. We love to hear your questions. Please leave them down below. If you had to pick a favorite, which one would it be? I am very curious because actually, I do have a giveaway to do. So for those people that go to the online store and purchase the items from among those, I'm going to be selecting maybe one or two winners and sending you a little something all to new extra in your box. So run to the store and we will see you there. All right, everyone, have a great day. And don't forget to watch these next two videos for some more content and ideas, as well as craft alongs and inspiration. I will see you there. Bye.